Here's a look at the amazing El Capitan suite at Disney California Adventure. So this is the entryway, and there's a half bath here. I love kind of the bell rose sitting out with the toilet here in the front. There's a closet here to the right. And this is the main living area. We're gonna go to the right. I'm gonna circle back around and show you. It's a little bit hard to see with the sunlight right now. Big fireplace in the kitchen, and the dining room is down there. Big balcony overlooking Disney California Adventure. And this is an office area off of the main family room. And then in here we have the king bed. And it does have an adjoining room if you need more than just the king bed. Very sizable closet here. And another entryway here. And then this leads you into the very spacious bathroom with all the leaded glass windows. You have both a shower and a bathtub, and behind that door is another toilet. Okay, this is walking back from the family room past the fireplace. Here is the dining area, and very large kitchen with dishwasher, full refrigerator. And from the dining room, we have a look at the fireplace here. And then you can walk out to the very large balcony overlooking the parks.